Your liver may be struggling silently right now without you even realizing it. Low energy, dull skin, bloating, poor digestion, and feeling tired throughout the day are often signs that your body may need better nutritional support. But today, I'm going to show you a simple homemade detox smoothie that may help support your liver, improve circulation, boost natural energy, and even help your skin look healthier and more radiant. The best part is that this drink uses simple, natural ingredients you can find in almost any kitchen. Many people think they need expensive detox supplements, complicated diets, or harsh cleanses to feel healthy again. But your body already has natural detox systems built in. Your liver, intestines, kidneys, and digestive system work every day to remove waste and support your health. The problem is that processed foods, sugary drinks, stress, poor sleep, and unhealthy eating habits can slowly overload these systems over time. I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now and let's add healthy years to your life. Today I want to share a refreshing smoothie recipe that may help support liver health, digestion, circulation, energy levels, and healthy skin naturally. The first ingredient is 1 small beetroot. Beetroot is considered one of the best natural foods for supporting liver and blood health. It contains powerful antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support the body's natural detox pathways. Beets may also help improve blood circulation and support healthy blood pressure levels naturally. Many people also notice that beetroot gives their skin a healthier glow because of its rich nutrient content. Wash the beetroot thoroughly and chop it into smaller pieces before blending. And while you are watching, let me know in the comments which city or country you are watching from today. The next ingredient is 1 fresh apple. Apples contain natural fiber and a compound called pectin, which may help support digestion and gently support the intestines. They also add natural sweetness to the smoothie, helping balance the earthy taste of beetroot without adding processed sugar. This is a great reminder that healthy drinks do not always need artificial sweeteners to taste good. And if you enjoy simple, natural health tips like this, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss future videos focused on healthy aging, digestion, liver health, and natural wellness. Now add half of a fresh orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that may help support the immune system and healthy skin. Vitamin C also plays an important role in collagen production, which helps support healthier-looking skin as we age. The orange also gives this smoothie a refreshing citrus flavor that makes it much easier and more enjoyable to drink. Next, add a small amount of fresh lemon juice. Lemon may help stimulate digestive function and support the liver's natural cleansing systems. It may also help the body absorb iron more effectively from the beetroot. Small combinations like this often work together in powerful ways to support overall wellness naturally. Finally, add 1 full glass of water. Place all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Within seconds, your homemade detox smoothie is ready. This drink is refreshing, naturally sweet, nutrient-rich, and simple to make at home. One of the best times to drink this smoothie is in the morning on an empty stomach. Many people feel that it helps them start the day feeling lighter, more energized, and mentally refreshed. It may also help support digestion and hydration throughout the day. Some people also enjoy drinking it in the afternoon as a healthy snack instead of processed foods or sugary drinks. Another important thing to remember is that healthy drinks work best when combined with healthy habits. No smoothie alone can undo poor sleep, processed food overload, chronic stress, or lack of movement. Real health improvements happen when you consistently support your body every day with healthier choices. Try to focus on drinking more water, eating more whole foods, reducing ultra-processed foods, moving your body regularly, and getting proper sleep. Your liver and digestive system work hard for you every single day, and even small healthy habits can create powerful long-term changes over time. You can also customize this smoothie by adding ingredients like fresh ginger, cucumber, mint, or chia seeds if you enjoy experimenting with healthy recipes. Many people notice that when digestion improves and the body becomes better hydrated, they feel lighter, more energetic, and even more mentally focused. That is because the liver and digestive system play a major role in your overall energy and wellness. Have you ever tried making a beetroot smoothie at home before? If you have your own healthy smoothie recipe, share it in the comments below, because your ideas may help someone else improve their health naturally too. And please share this video with someone who wants to support their liver, digestion, energy, and skin naturally with simple, healthy habits. Sometimes the most powerful health changes begin with the simplest daily routines. I'm Dr. Tane, making healthy aging simple for you. Because your health isn't just about you, it's about the people who love you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.